Hey YouTube, this is Angelo Merville here. I'm here with
Florence Knight.
And we are at the Wildwood subdivision in Covington, Georgia, DR Horton community. Very beautiful floor plans, and I'll let her kind of explain to you what we have and the incentives that they have here today.
So really quickly, we are 4 and 5 bedrooms, 7 different floor plans ranging from 2654 square feet to 3342. And all beautiful, 9-foot ceilings, formal dining room, double oven, covered patio, granite quartz and marble throughout. 3 tennis courts, basketball, clubhouse, pool, and 2.3-mile running walking trail. Give us a call.
Awesome, awesome. Well, I hope you all enjoy these tours. And you make sure you comment, subscribe, and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.